Okay, so we are on part 2 of this craziness. So I made him go get some new lug nuts because his lug nuts were pretty beat up. So while he's at the store, I'm give you guys a little recap on this thing real quick. So he has an upgraded turbo, extra piping. I don't know what half the stuff is, but not too bad. I know he has a skunk tube manifold in the back. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, barely. And then I know it has a clutch, but I got one side on, and that's how it looks in the front. That's how it's looking in the back. So he's able to clear. And then here's his interior. He does have this fancy steering wheel that has some stuff on it. Then he has his Recaro seats, little cage back there. And then he wrapped the door panels in Recaro material. But this is his hatch. But here's how the wheels sit on them. Let's see. Not too bad on clearance. Once he drives it, it'll settle down some, but there we go.